Here's a 2015 Chevrolet Equinox. Stylish, energized, and ready for takeoff, this is a multitasker that doesn't compromise. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, smartphone wireless charging, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and Wi-Fi hotspot. The Car Connection remarks, whether you're moving into the Equinox from a mid-size car or from a more truck-like SUV, you'll find a lot to like in the cabin design. Chevy, 100 years of icons. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Honesty, integrity, and a hometown feel. Stop into Classic Chevrolet today. We're conveniently located at 6190 West Blue Road in Lake City, Michigan.